Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Life English Podcast. I'm Amma.
And I'm Peng. Hi, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're feeling great.
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking, Peng. And you?
I'm fantastic. Thanks. We are so happy you've joined us today.
Yes, today's episode is very practical and will help you in your daily English conversations. We'll focus on making appointments politely.
That's right. We all need to make appointments for school, work, doctor visits, or even casual meetings. And doing it politely is very important.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel, Daily Life English. This helps more learners find useful tips and improve their English skills.
Absolutely. Now, let's dive into today's topic.
Peng, why do you think it's important to make appointments politely?
Well, Amma, making appointments politely shows respect for the other person's time, it creates a good impression, and prevents misunderstandings.
Exactly. A polite request helps you maintain relationships, whether with teachers, bosses, friends, or clients.
Today, we'll focus on 4 main areas. 1. How to request an appointment politely. 2. How to confirm your appointment. 3. How to reschedule politely. 4. How to cancel politely.
We'll give examples, practice exercises, and many role plays so you can speak naturally in real-life situations.
And remember, repeat after us, listen carefully, and don't rush. This will help you improve pronunciation, fluency, and confidence.
Let's start with requesting an appointment politely.
Right. When asking for an appointment, it's best to start with a polite greeting. For example, "Hello, how are you today?" "Good morning, I hope you're doing well."
Then use polite expressions to make your request. For example, would it be possible to meet on Monday? Could we schedule a meeting for next week, please?
Notice the difference. Saying, "I want to meet" is direct and can sound rude. But "would it be possible" is polite and friendly.
Another phrase is, I was wondering if you have time to meet tomorrow.
And you can also offer flexibility. "I'm available on Tuesday or Thursday. Which day is better for you?"
Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Would it be possible to meet on Thursday, please? I was wondering if we could schedule a meeting next week.
Great! Beginners should also remember to add "please" at the end. It's small, but very important.
And sometimes you can start with a friendly compliment or appreciation. I hope your week is going well. I was wondering if you could meet me on Friday.
Perfect. This shows kindness and politeness, and creates a positive tone.
After requesting, confirming is the next step.
Yes, confirmation ensures that both sides understand the time and date, and it prevents mistakes.
Here are some polite ways to confirm. Just confirming our meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m., is that still okay? I'd like to confirm our appointment for Thursday at 3 p.m., please.
You can also express gratitude. "Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to our meeting."
For beginners, always include words like please, thank you, and a friendly tone. It makes your message sound polite and professional.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. "Hello, I'm just confirming our meeting at 2 p.m. tomorrow, please." "I'd like to confirm our appointment for Friday. Thank you."
Excellent! Confirmation also gives the other person a chance to suggest a better time if needed. Sometimes plans change, so you may need to reschedule politely.
Correct. When rescheduling, always apologize first. For example, "I'm sorry, but I need to reschedule our meeting. Would another day work for you?" "Something came up. Could we move our meeting to next week, please?"
You can suggest alternative times to make it easier for the other person. Would Monday or Tuesday work better for you? I'm free Wednesday or Thursday. Which day is better?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I apologize, but can we reschedule our meeting to Thursday, please?
Would Monday or Tuesday work better for you? Great! Politeness and flexibility make rescheduling smooth and professional. Sometimes you have to cancel an appointment completely.
Always start with an apology and a reason if possible. I'm really sorry, but I need to cancel our meeting today due to an emergency. Apologies for the inconvenience. I won't be able to meet tomorrow.
Then offer an alternative if you can. Can we reschedule for next week instead? Would another day be convenient for you?
Polite cancellation helps maintain good relationships and shows respect.
Let's practice. I apologize, but I have to cancel our meeting. Could we reschedule next week? Sorry for the inconvenience. Would another day work for you? Here's a summary of key polite expressions. 1. Could we? 2. Would it be possible? 3. I was wondering if. 4. Please let me know if that's convenient. 5. Thank you for your time. 6. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Practice these every day. They can be used for requesting, confirming, rescheduling, and canceling.
Repeat after me slowly. Could we meet on Friday, please? Would it be possible to reschedule our appointment? I apologize for any inconvenience caused. Let's do some real-life role plays.
Scenario 1. Asking a teacher for extra help.
Hello, Mr. Smith. I was wondering if you have time to meet after class tomorrow, please.
Scenario 2. Rescheduling a doctor's appointment.
Hello. I'm sorry, but I need to move my appointment to next Monday. Would that be possible?
Scenario 4. Asking a friend to meet for coffee.
I apologize for the inconvenience. I won't be able to attend our meeting today. Could we schedule another day? Hello. I'm sorry, but I need to move my appointment to next Monday. Would that be possible?
Scenario 3. Canceling a business meeting.
I apologize for the inconvenience. I won't be able to attend our meeting today. Could we schedule another day?
Scenario 4. Asking a friend to meet for coffee.
Hi, Sarah. Would it be possible to meet this Saturday for coffee, please?
Scenario 5. Confirming a Zoom meeting for work.
Just confirming our Zoom call tomorrow at 4 p.m. Is that still okay?
Scenario 6. Rescheduling a language exchange session.
I'm really sorry. Can we move our session to next Wednesday instead? By practicing these, you will feel confident in many situations.
Let's talk about some common mistakes. 1. Saying, I want to meet. Too direct. 2. Forgetting please or thank you. 3. Not apologizing when rescheduling or canceling. 4. Being vague about time or date. 5. Using informal phrases in formal situations.
Instead, use polite expressions, be clear with time, and always use please, thank you, sorry. It shows respect and professionalism.
Repeat after me. Would it be possible to meet at 10 a.m. tomorrow, please? I apologize for the inconvenience. Could we reschedule?
Now, let's do a practice session together. I'll give a situation, you repeat the polite sentence.
Situation 1. Asking a boss for a meeting.
Would it be possible to meet on Friday at 3 p.m., please?
Situation 2. Confirming a class schedule.
Hello, I'm just confirming our class tomorrow at 10 a.m. Is that okay?
Situation 3. Rescheduling a dentist appointment.
I apologize, but can we move our appointment to next Thursday, please?
Situation 4. Canceling a casual lunch.
I'm really sorry. I won't be able to join lunch today. Could we meet another day?
Keep practicing like this. Daily repetition makes polite communication easier and natural.
That's all for today's Making Appointments Politely podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope these tips, phrases, and role plays help you improve your English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It helps our channel grow and reach more learners like you.
Keep practicing politely. And remember, every polite sentence you speak makes a good impression.
Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you next time on Daily Life English.
Bye-bye. Keep learning and stay polite.
Bye, everyone.